Are you trying to stand out on your logo creation for your businesses and brand? Worry no more. I have an 8 game-changing AI new generation logo creators that can give you a professional logo in 5 minutes. You will not believe this. Stick with me. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Billionaire Master Mike, and I welcome the new subscribers to this channel. On this channel, our primary goal is to create content that will enhance your financial life and give you more edge to other people. Today, without wasting time, we're going to discuss 8 professional AI that will give you a professional logo for your businesses and brand. Some of us have been wondering what is happening on the world of AI. Everybody's making money, everybody's talking about AI, and you're not in the league. You're not following along. You're not playing with the big boys. Today, let's make it more easy for you. You don't need so much. And the funny thing about this is you can do all these tasks and use all this AI on your smartphone. So if you love what I'm telling you and you want to know more about this, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Let's kick off. The first one we'll have is Looker. We'll have Looker.com. It's a powerful AI that will help you create a standard logo. It has an extensive customization from the background to the layout. Everything you need to do on your logo, it has it. And the best part of it is free and affordable. That's the best you can get when creating AI generated logos. Second one is Namecheap.com. Namecheap.com it sounds very familiar to everybody. It's a very powerful platform where you can create logos and download free logos. All you have to do is to answer a handful of questions. Then you have opportunity to download and create any amount of logo for yourself. Without deliberating much on it, let's go over to the third one. The third one is logostoreai.com. Just like the name sounds, Logo Store. It is a handful of beautiful logos, special logos, new dynamic logos you can actually create and use for your businesses and individuals. It's an AI-powered generated logo. It has an intensive library of professional logos you can create and install and edit. If you'd like me to do an intensive review on one of the logo AI creating websites, let me know in the comment box so I'll actually do that. Let's go back to the fourth one, Design AI. Design AI is a very powerful AI tool for logos. It lets you choose different type of logo and has various fonts for your logos that will make your logos look very unique and catch the attention of your client and the brand you are designing this logo for. I would like you to check it out and try it too. Move over to the fifth one, which is Logo Master AI. Logo Master AI is a very easy platform for beginners. It needs no skills. It needs no ideas to actually create an icon or create a logo. It's a very unique AI that have made things easy with different styles and different fonts of creating logo. Just in few clicks. Believe me, you're done with your logos. Still on the next one, we have Amila. Just like the name sounds on Amila, it's a very powerful AI. The interface is straight. You can create anything that you have ever think in your mind on this Amila. Amila is a very powerful and very unique AI websites you can create a professional logo. I would like you to try it out and let you know. Let me know in the comment box what you think about this AI. The next one we'll have is Logo AI. LogoAI.com is a very intelligent AI that gives you various types of logo. Gives you opportunity to choose the picture, edit your logo, and give you a preview of what your logo looks like. Logo AI is my favorite. It's the best you can ever get for AIs for creating professional logos for your businesses and your brand. I did a review on that logoai.com. You can go over here and watch the video, a full video of it, how you can create a professional logo for your brand and make money with it just in 5 minutes. Without wasting time, this is the last but not the least. We have Logoscopes. Logoscopes, it gives you a dynamic range of design logos which you can actually use for your brand and your business and for your client. It's very easy to use and user friendly. The Logoscopes has different functionality. You can use it to create a wallpaper, use it to create anything or any picture you need on social media. And the best part of it, it comes with a high resolution of 4K upwards. You will like the picture qualities. I would like you to try out the AI logos I mentioned and tell me which is your favorite on the comment box. Let's talk about it. And make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Without wasting time, I would like to thank everybody which have supported me on this channel. I love you all. Stay healthy. Until next time, see you, family.